Hello everyone, myself Rahul Singh, welcome you all to my channel Exam Mitra. In this video, we will discuss about the third chapter of reasoning and logical thinking. The name of the chapter is Coding and Decoding. So what is coding and decoding and how to solve questions based on this? Let's proceed. So what is coding? Coding is a method of expressing something in a secret way. That means to express something, we will use some different way. For example, the hello is coded as khur. That means the H has been replaced with K, E has been replaced with H, L has been replaced with O, and this O has been replaced with R. So what are we doing is we are expressing hello in some different way, in some secret way in which a common person cannot understand. For example, if I say you, Khur everyone, what is Khur? Who would understand the meaning of Khur? But since you now know the meaning of Khur is hello, so if I say Khur everyone, you will say yeah, he is saying hello everyone. So that's it. This is coding. Let's see what is decoding. Decoding is the process to understand a code language. That means, like we did, what we did is we coded hello as cool. So if again I would say you cool, you would understand it as hello. So this is decoding. Decoding is understanding the coded language. Okay. So if hello is cool, then what is sky? If hello is said as cool, then how would we say a sky? So we need to find certain relationship between this hello and cool. And if we are able to find that relationship, we will allow that relation on this as well and find the code of sky. So how are this hello and cool related? If you observe, this H has been forward skipped by two letters like H, then I, J and then K, E, F, G, then H. L, M, N, then O. That means we are doing two forward skipping. So what would be the letter for S? What would be the code letter for S? S, you have to skip two. T, U, then it comes V. What would be for K? Skip two. L and M, then it would be N. What would be for Y? Z, then comes A, and then it is V. So sky will be written as V and V. So the code for sky is VNB. So this is coding and decoding. Coding is the process of writing something in a secret way. Decoding is the process of understanding that writing. How is that code written? Understand the process of writing the code. Decoding is understanding the process of how a code is written. Okay, so let's move forward. Types of coding. How many types of codings are available? The first one is letter coding. Letter Letters are arranged in forward or backward direction, like we just show. Hello was written as cool. Each of the letters of the word hello was forward skipped by two in the forward direction. So that is a letter coding. Again, there is direct letter coding. So direct letter coding is not based on this backward or forward skipping. They are just directly replaced. For example, if I write moon as, let's say, Liik, so there is no relationship between this M and L, or O and there is no similar relationship between M and L, O and I, and so on. So this is just a direct letter coding, no relationship between the letters. So M is L, O is I, and N is K. Just that. Direct letter coding. Again, there is again one more type, that is number or symbol coding, like RED. Someone coded this RED read as 1, 2, 3. Then someone would ask, what would be the code of DER? So you see, D is coded as 3, E is coded as 2, R is coded as 1. So this should be 3, 2, 1. So this is a number or symbol. Symbols also you can see FAT. This FAT is coded as at the rate, dollar, and hashtag. Then what shall we code? TAF. This TAF will be coded as hashtag, dollar, at the rate. So this is letter or symbol coding. Again, there is substitution coding. Specific words are replaced by certain names. These words have been totally replaced. We will see such type of coding in examples as well. So let's move forward and go through those examples. Letter coding. First is the letter coding. As I show you, there will be a skipping of the letters in the forward or backward direction. So in this example, you see C is coded as D, there is one forward direction. A is coded as B, there is one forward direction. T is coded as U, there is also one forward direction. So each letter is shifted to one position forward. So this is letter coding. There is a shifting of a forward or backward between the letters. This may be one skipping, this may be two skipping, and so on. Direct letter coding. Letters are directly replaced by others. Okay, that means Z is replaced as P, O is replaced as M, L is replaced as T. There is no relationship between the skipping of these letters. Just Z is P, O is M, L is T, and so on. It is very easy to decode the codes based on letter coding. That means the skipping. It is very easy to decode them, but it is little bit difficult than that in direct letter coding. Okay, so googly is coded as HMMHTD. It is a direct coding. We will see what are the questions based on this type of coding. So let's see another type, that is number or symbol coding. As I stated before, the letters are coded as some numbers. Substitution coding. The word apple has been coded as alpha. The word ball has been coded as bravo. Then what would be alpha bravo? It is apple ball. The meaning of alpha bravo is apple ball. So this is substitution coding. In the process of substitution coding, we code a complete word into some different word. Let's move forward. Now, how to solve questions based on coding and decoding? The first step is identify the pattern. Look at the pattern. Is it a letter coding or direct letter coding or some number or symbol coding or substitution coding? We need to first identify the pattern. And if it is a letter coding, then is it forward or backward, and so on. Again, check the letter position. We need to check the position of the letters. Compare the position of letters in the alphabet to find there's a shift or replacement, like we do in letter coding. Break down the code to understand the code in a better way. We will break down the code and predict the asked code. Use of elimination. In this process, we'll try to eliminate the options provided for the questions. In this way, we'll be saving a lot of time to decode the given code. Again, cross verify. Once you have understood the coding, you will need to verify that process is this process of coding works on other as well or not. Then stay organized, write down the code and decode process systematically to avoid. While solving questions based on this topic, write the code and decode in some separate places or in an organized manner to understand the coding well and easily and to avoid some confusion. Let's see this example one. In a certain code language, guava is written as FTZUZ. So see, GUAVA. This is the original language, and this has been coded to FTZUZ. So write in a well organized manner so that you can know the code. So you see, each letter has been backward shifted. That means if I go I go from Z to F, I need a backward shifting, one backward shifting. Similarly, from U to T there is one backward shifting. From A to Z there is one backward shifting. From V to U there is one backward shifting. And from A to Z there is also one backward shifting. Then how would be mango written? MANGO. There is one backward skipping, that is L. One backward skipping, that is Z. One backward skipping, that is M. One backward skipping, that is F. One backward skipping, that is N. So L, Z, M, F, N. So this is purely letter coding. Okay, so answer is option A, L, Z, M, F, N. You can see I have also written this solution here so that it will be easy for you to understand, but also understand the process. Okay, let's move to the second example. Question number 2. In a certain code language, ride is written as 3689. So see, RIDE. This is 3689. And again, RICH. This is 3657. So from these two, what conclusion can we make? That R is 3, I is 6, C is 5, D is 8, and H is 7. Now, how will height be written? So height, H is 7, I is 6, D is 8, and E is 9. So E is 9. So the answer is 7, 6, 8, 9. Option B will be our correct answer. I hope you are getting it. Let's move to the next example. In a certain code language, patience is written as, okay, so let's write Patience. Now this is Tpniec. Okay, there is double E E C A. Now see, to decode this, what shall we do? Let's write this P as 1, the position of P as 1, the position of A as 2, T as 3, I as 4, E as 5, N as 6, C as 7, and E as 8. And here also let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see, 1, that means P is going to the position of 2. So 1 is going to 2. Again this 2, that is A, is going to A. 8. 2 is going to 8. Now 3 is going to 1. This 3 position T is going to 1 position. And similarly 4, that is I, is going to 4. There is no shifting. This 5, there is a confusion between 5 and 8. So let's think that the 5 is at 5. This 5 is at 5. 6 is going to 3. 7 is at 7. And 8 is going to 6. Now let's try to decode this spacious. Spacious. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now see, let's write some blank space as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now see, from this coding, the letter at 1 is going to the letter at 2. The letter at 1 is going to the position 2. So this S will come here. The letter at 2 is going to position 8. That means P will be here. The letter at 3 will go to position 1. That means A will come at the first position. The letter at 4 will remain as it is. So 4 is C. So it is C. Now fifth will be as it is. So fifth one is I. Let's put it here. 6 is going to 3. That means O is going to third position. So this would be O. 7th is at 7th as well. So this would be U. And similarly this 8 will go to 6. So this will be S. So you can see ASOC, up to this it was correct, and these three letters have been wrongly placed. That is okay, but if you see the options ASOC and P, only these three are wrongly placed, and there was a confusion for the place of E, and this is for that only. But looking at the options, we are clear that our answer must be option A, because see, this is USS, it is out of the answer. This is USPS, not according to our answer. This is ACOS, this is also not according to our answer. The correct one is option A. So I hope you are understanding how to solve this type of questions. Let's move to the next example. Question number 4. In a certain code, sky is blue. So sky is blue is 3, 2, 4. Flowers are beautiful is 7, 5, 9. Sky always beautiful is 3, 6, 5. How will always be written? So what is the exact code for always? Let's see. So see, here sky we have, and here also sky we have. Here is blue, but here no is no blue. What are the letters? What are the words that are same in this sentence and in this sentence? There is only one common word, that is sky. So that common number must be also same. That means sky is termed as 3. Now see this one. Flowers are beautiful. Is there anything common between these two? Yes, the common word is beautiful. And what is the common number? Common number is 5. That means this beautiful is 5. This beautiful is 5. So clearly what will be the coding for always? It would be 6. So option A must be the correct answer. So this type of coding, you have to understand which letter, which word has been coded to which number by comparing the given sentences. Okay, let's move to the next question. So see this one, 2 and then a triangle 3 is 8.5. 4 triangle 9 is 42.5. Again 8 triangle 6 is 55. What is 18 triangle 37? So this we need to know the meaning of this triangle to understand the code. Now see, let's multiply this because this is 8.5, that is very close to the product of these two. So let's multiply this, and that is 3 to the 6. So 6, and we are short of 2.5. That means if I add these two and then divide by 2, I am getting 2.5, and then if I add those two, I am getting 8.5. Let's see whether this code works for this as well or not. So 4 into 9, 36. 4 plus 9 divided by 2, that is 13 divided by 2, that is 6.5, and it is 42.5. So this code is working here as well. Let's see, is it working in this part? 8 6 are 48. 8 plus 6 divided by 2. 14 by 2 is 7. Is the sum 55? Yes. So that means this is a code. We need to multiply them first and then divide their sum by 2. Whatever the results we are getting, we will have to add them to get the final answer. So now see, what is 18 into 37? It is 666. What is 18 plus 17? Oh, sorry. What is 18 plus 37? 18 plus 37, it is 25, and 30, 55. And what is 55 by 2? It is 27.5. So this is 27.5. And now we will add them. So this is 0.5, 6 and 7, 13, carry 1, 6 and 3, 9, and this is 6. So our answer is 693.5. So this will be the correct answer. So I hope you are getting it. Let's move to the next question. If June is equal to 50, then what will July be equal to? So for this, we need to have this letter and position value. We need to know the value of each letter. So what is the position of J? From this table, J is 10. The position of U is 21. The position of N is 14. The position of E is 5. Now let's add all these values. You will see that the sum is 50. That means, how are we getting the value of June as 50? We are just adding the position of each letters of the word June. So we'll repeat the same for July. The position of J is 10. The position of U is 21. The position of L is 12. The position of Y is 25. And let's add them. It is 68. So July will be 68. Our answer is option A, 68. So I hope you are understanding the process of coding and decoding. So that's it in this video. In the next video, we will discuss the previous year questions that were asked on the topic of coding and decoding. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.